apologies. I believe my video ended before I can finish the lesson. We're continuing back with lesson 2, enabling NAT and firewall rules. We are on step 13. From here, we're going to go to Windows 7 external machine. I'm going to go ahead and go there through the topology selection and select the Windows 7 external machine. And in here, we're going to type in our NAT command for our 216.80.80.80 address and hit enter. And now you can see that port 80 has now been opened for HTTP. When an internet IP address is scanned, the MAC address will not be displayed. The address appears here because this is a simulated environment, not the real internet. Now, before starting SSH, the SSH keys must be generated on the internal backtrack system. So we're going to go back to that backtrack 5R3 and generate some keys. Generate our SSH keys. We're going back to the topology, selecting backtrack 5R3, and in here we're going to type in the command sshd-generate and hit enter, and this will generate our public and private key pair. And then we need to start our SSH service. While we're still in the backtrack 5 internal machine, we're going to select applications on the top left hand corner of our screen. We're going to go to the backtrack selection and then go to services and then go to SSHD, and we're going to select SSHD start. We're going to see a window appear and then quickly disappear as it's running the service. And just to be sure, we're going to run our netstat command to be sure that the service is up. So on our terminal window, we're going to type in NAT space -TAN. And from here, we should see that port 22. Oh, I typed it in wrong. Again, that double letter came up again. NETSTA. Now the A is not typing. T. There we go. Dash TAN. Enter. Now from here, we should be able to see that port 22 is being listened to on both the TCP and the TCP6. Okay. Now to view what's currently being run, this will actually should show us that the port is open. We're going to type in nmap 127.0.0.1, which is the local address. Hit enter, and you're going to see here 22 TCP open SSH. Next, we will need to remove the hidden file in root's home directory, which will automatically set the IP address to 192.168.1.50 when the root account logs in. So here at the backtrack 5R internal machine in the terminal window, we are going to type in rm, all lowercase, space, -rf, space, /root, /bash underscore profile, and we're going to hit enter. Then we're going to go back to the Windows 2008 sniffer. So I'm going to select the topology, select the sniffer virtual machine. And from here, since we still have this console window open, we're going to type the following command to redirect incoming requests from the internet to the backtrack 5R3 internal machine running the SSH. And we're going to start with IP tables. That double lettering IP tables. One of these days I'll figure out why it does that. Space -D, space NAT, space dash capital A. And we're going to type this all capital letters, PREROOTING. That's pre-routing. Space dash lowercase p, space TCP, space -D, space 216.80.80.80, space dash D port. This time we're referencing port 22. Again, that double lettering. Not sure why that's happening. Space J, space DNAT, space. That did a double space for some reason, so I'm going to go back to J, space DNAT, space --2 destination, space 172.16.1.50:22 for the port. I'm going to double check, make sure everything is typed in correctly, as there's repetitive lettering being typed in as I key my commands in. So far looking good. As you can see, it looks similar to the command before. I'm typing this all out just to make sure that if there are any changes in the commands that I'm being consistent with it. I'm going to hit enter. Now we're going to go back to the Windows 7 external machine and again perform another NMAP scan. So I'm going to go to the topology, select our Windows 7 external machine, and from here we're going to type in NMAP on our command prompt. 216.80.80.80, and I'm going to hit enter, and we should be able to see that port 22 is open. That's correct. And we're going back to the backtrack 5R3 internal machine. We should be at step 21. I'm going to topology, backtrack 5R3. And now we are going to create a directory called tftp boot by typing in mkdir, which is make directory, space /tftp boot, and that'll name the directory. I'm going to hit enter. And now we need to actually start the service by typing in the command atftpd space daemon, DAEMON, space /tftp boot, and then hit enter. Now we need to verify that the TFTP is listening on the UDP port 69, and we're using the netstat command again. NETSTAT space -UAN, and then hit enter. And as you notice, the command is a little different for UDP. This time we're using a -U. And up on the first line entry, it says UDP. And you can see there :69 representing the port that it's listening to. Now we're going to type the following command to verify that the TFTP is listening on UDP port 69 using the nmap command. But this time, after nmap, we're going to type in a space dash lowercase s, uppercase U, and then our local address is just 127.0.0.1 line grep 69. We're going to hit enter, and you'll notice it says 69 UDP open filtered TFTP. Now we're going to go ahead and copy a file called a utility actually called fgdump to the web root of the backtrack FR3 internal machine by typing in cp, which stands for copy, space /pentest/windows -binaries /PASSWD -ATTACK/FGDUMP.exe, and be sure you put a space after this /TFTPBOOT/, and hit enter. Now we're going to verify that the malicious file is present in the TFTP boot directory by typing in ls, that's lowercase, space /TFTPBOOT/. ls, by the way, stands for list. And when I hit enter, you should see the file name fgdump.exe show up. Now through the Windows 2008 sniffer program, we're going to redirect incoming requests from the internet to the internal backtrack machine running the TFTP server. We're going to do that by typing in the iptables command in the console window, space -t, space NAT, space -A, space pre-routing, all capital letters, space -p. Keep in mind, this time we're not typing in TCP, we are typing in UDP in lowercase, space -d, space 216.80.80.80, space -- dport, 69 to reference the port number, space -j, space DNAT, all capital letters, space -- -destination, space 172.1.50:69 for the port. And we're going to hit enter. Now on step 28, from the Windows 7 external machine, we're going to do another nmap scan of the Linux public IP address for port 69. So keep in mind that the nmap command is going to change a little. So we're going to type in nmap in the CMD console, space -s, capital U, space 216.80.80.80, space -p, space in port number 69.